This is your first look at SolidWorks Sustainability. Across many industries, providing environmentally friendly designs is becoming more important. Making products with a lower carbon footprint, with less energy and reduced air and water pollutants is key. It is a difficult challenge. Designers must weigh the benefits of different materials and manufacturing choices. SolidWorks Sustainability helps meet this challenge. It is a simple yet powerful tool inside SolidWorks that provides insight into the environmental effects a design has over its life cycle. And it provides a very efficient way to evaluate design changes to minimize the impact. In this design example, we're focusing on a personal humidifier and want to see if we can implement changes to reduce the environmental impact yet still meet our functional requirements. By simply specifying a location of manufacture and where the product is going to be used, we immediately get information on environmental factors such as carbon footprint and energy consumption. A key element of sustainability is the level of integration inside SolidWorks. Using assembly visualization, we can look at sustainability characteristics like carbon footprint and clearly identify graphically which components are the worst offenders. The chore of selecting which different materials to consider is made simple by SolidWorks Sustainability. Using the Find Similar tool, we can do a search using various criteria that are important to the design. We can take into account strength requirements or other material characteristics like density or thermal conductivity. SolidWorks Sustainability easily finds suitable materials that not only meet performance requirements but have less environmental impact. As we make changes, the dashboard dynamically updates to show if we have reduced the impact or made it worse. The dashboard also allows us to drill down in more detail to see the contributions from the different life cycle phases. With a single click, we can capture the changes evaluated in a customizable report that details the original environmental impact, ranks part contributions as well as the final impact, and clearly shows the improvements we have made to the design. But sustainability becomes even more valuable when used in conjunction with other SolidWorks modules, like simulation. The water tank needs to withstand the daily abuse of being located on a desk, as well as the pressure of the water inside. With the initial material, we know the design is strong enough. But what about trying to find a material that is not only stronger, but that actually has less impact on the environment? SolidWorks Sustainability makes it a breeze to find that answer. Using the Find Similar Material tool again, we can quickly narrow down the list of materials that have higher strength and similar density. The immediate feedback on whether the selected material is better or worse really makes the process incredibly efficient. Once we find another material, we can apply it to our design and verify the strength. We can now see that the factor of safety is substantially higher, so we can remove material to reduce weight, which will also further reduce the environmental impact. After reducing the wall thickness, we can double-check whether the new material will still meet our performance goals. So we have made a significant reduction in the part's environmental impact without compromising the part performance. With its powerful yet intuitive interface and unrivaled integration, SolidWorks Sustainability makes it incredibly easy for designers to make more environmentally friendly products. This has been your first look at SolidWorks Sustainability. To learn more, contact your local SolidWorks reseller or explore our website for more information.